Ever wondered why some drivers enjoy every ride, while others struggle with small daily annoyances? Today, I'm revealing cool car gadgets that can upgrade comfort, safety, and style instantly. Stay with me. You'll thank yourself later. If anything catches your eye, friendly links are waiting in the description below. The first product on the list is GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter. One silent battery failure can turn a normal morning into pure chaos, and that's exactly where the GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter earns respect. This compact roadside tool carries serious 3000A starting power, built to handle up to 9.0 gas and 6.5 diesel engines, while adding a built-in 150 psi tire inflator for real emergencies. Here's the real issue buyers face. Most jump starters either feel weak, bulky, or useless after one season. The GOOLOO A3 changes that with portable size, simple controls, and extra functions like power bank charging and emergency lighting. It feels like preparation without clutter. Performance matters most. It starts cars fast, and the boost mode helps when batteries are deeply drained. Compared with a basic cable-only jumper, this gives independence. Compared with a NOCO Boost Plus, NOCO has stronger brand reputation, but the A3 offers tire inflation in one unit. Downsides? Clamp length may feel short on some engine bays, and larger diesel owners may want higher output options. Ideal for commuters, families, road trippers, and anyone tired of hoping strangers stop to help. This isn't panic gear, it's peace stored in your trunk. The second product on the list is Govee Car LED Lights. The fastest way to make an old cabin feel alive isn't a new car. It's light, mood, and atmosphere. Govee Car LED lights turn dark, forgettable interiors into a space that actually feels yours. With app control, RGB colors, music sync, and DIY scenes, every drive gets personality in seconds. Here's the usual buyer problem. Cheap LED strips look weak, peel off, or use clumsy remotes that get lost fast. Govee solves that with Bluetooth app control, flexible strips, and multiple preset scenes. Setup is simple. The payoff feels immediate. Real use matters more than specs. Night commutes feel calmer with a soft glow. Weekend drives feel energetic with rhythm mode. Passengers notice it instantly. If you enjoy customizing your car, rideshare driving, or just want a fresher interior, this fits naturally. Compared with generic no-name car LED kits, Govee offers a cleaner app experience and stronger lighting effects. Compared with premium hardwired ambient systems, it's less seamless, but far easier and cheaper to install. Downsides? Adhesive may need careful surface cleaning, and some users report occasional reconnect delays. Some upgrades shout. This one quietly changes how every drive feels. Third on the list is heads-up display. A 2-second glance at your dashboard can steal over 100 feet of road at highway speed, and that's why a heads-up display for cars feels smarter the moment you use it. This windshield projector places speed, alerts, or navigation data directly in your sightline, helping you stay focused forward. Here's the real buyer struggle. Many drivers want extra awareness, but fear clutter, fake gimmicks, or hard installation. A quality car hood solves that fast. OBD2 models pull live data like speed, RPM, and temperature. GPS HUD options work across more vehicles without compatibility stress. Daily use is where value appears. You check speed without dropping your eyes. Long drives feel calmer. City traffic feels more controlled. If you commute often, drive highways, own an older car, or simply enjoy useful tech, this upgrade makes sense. Compared with checking the dashboard, a HUD keeps information higher in view. Compared with phone mounts, it feels cleaner and less distracting. Downsides? Cheap units may show ghosting, weak daylight brightness, or slight speed delay. Some cars need reflector film for best clarity. Some gadgets decorate a car. This one quietly changes how you drive. The fourth product on the list is Jemluse Wireless CarPlay. The cable you plug in every single drive steals seconds, patience, and dashboard peace until the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter quietly removes the ritual. This compact wireless CarPlay adapter transforms factory-wired CarPlay into instant wireless freedom. So maps, calls, music, and Siri begin without reaching for a cord. Here's the common frustration buyers face. Many adapters lag, disconnect, or feel confusing to set up. Jemluse focuses on plug-and-play simplicity, Bluetooth pairing, and Wi-Fi data transfer for smoother daily use. You enter the car, start driving, and your iPhone reconnects automatically. That small convenience adds up fast. Real life matters more than specs. Morning commutes feel cleaner. Short trips feel effortless. If you hate cluttered cables, share a car, or use navigation constantly, this upgrade makes sense. Compared with staying wired, this feels cleaner and more modern. Compared with premium brands like Kit or AutoCast, Jemluse often costs less while still offering solid everyday performance. Downsides? Some users report occasional reconnect issues or needing firmware updates after time. Compatibility can vary by vehicle system. Some purchases save money. This one saves a little irritation every day. With that, we move to the last one. Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam. One hit and run, one false claim, one missing detail. That's all it takes to wish you had footage. The Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam is built for that exact moment, recording front, cabin, and rear views at once with 4K plus 1080p plus 2.5K coverage. It doesn't just record roads, it records the truth. Here's the real buyer problem. Many dashcams promise protection, then fail with weak night footage, narrow angles, or single camera blind spots. The N4 Pro S answers with triple Starvis 2 sensors, HDR video, GPS tracking, Wi-Fi, and 24/7 parking mode. That means clearer plates, better low-light detail, and more peace when your car is parked alone. Daily value shows quickly. Rideshare drivers can monitor the cabin. Families can cover rear traffic. Commuters gain evidence if something goes wrong. Compared with a basic front-only dashcam, this gives wider protection. Compared with the older N4 Pro, the S model upgrades the rear camera to 2.5K and newer sensors. Downsides? Premium pricing, more cables during setup, and some users mention heat or memory card issues over time. Some purchases sit quietly for years, until one day they become priceless. And just like that, your car went from basic to brilliantly upgraded. If one of these gadgets caught your eye, check the links in the description and grab your favorite before it sells out. Drop a comment telling me which one you'd install first, and subscribe, because the next upgrade might be the one you can't live without.